Rika. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. I just finished doing my hair and my makeup. Oh, y'all look. I took my nails off. They don't look that bad. Tony picked up some LA Color nail polish. I didn't even know they still sold these. But I polished my nails today. You can't really see it that good on camera, but it's just like a really clear nude. It's fine. It's no big deal. It's so much stuff going on in the world. Who cares about my nails? I'm not worried about my nails, and I'm not going to complain about anything. So I'm just grateful to be alive and healthy. But I'm getting ready to do a mukbang. Tony's doing a mukbang with me today. And then we're just probably gonna clean up a little bit and just chill out for the rest of the day. So I'm gonna vlog throughout the day, let you guys see what I get up to. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are holding up, and let's get into the vlog. I have some freshly cleaned strawberries. And look how pretty this pineapple is, y'all. So pretty. The leaves don't look all that, but this is still a gorgeous pineapple. So Tony's gonna slice that up for me. I just cleaned my Dungeness crab. We'll probably do some green lip mussels, crawfish. Tony don't eat crawfish though. Yeah, we can do shrimp, corn, potatoes, sausage. We're gonna do the works today, so y'all know I'll show y'all how everything looks when we're done in the kitchen. Then we're gonna make some pretty drinks. So we're just gonna have, like, you know, a chill Friday. Two different pots going on right now. This is my crawfish pot because I like to let my crawfish soak for a while, so I just put them in their own little separate pot, so that way while I'm getting everything else ready, they can soak and do what they got to do, and we don't have to wait for them. So right now, corn, sausage, potatoes, eggs. Y'all know I like to cook that stuff first, and then we'll cook the crabs. All right, y'all, so here's the food. It's all done. We got Dungeness, shrimp, mussels, corn, potatoes, sausage, and crawfish. Oh, and eggs. Y'all can't tell me this don't look good. We gotta tear this up because we're starving. Happy Friday, y'all. I'm ready to eat.
Let's get it. What I want to start with is I'll start with the shrimp.
Y'all, this is our first time eating today, so.
All day.
I'm gonna start off with a mussel. That's real good.
I don't know why, like, every time we eat Dungeness crabs, it's like messy. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like your hands and stuff get really extra messy. I don't know why. To me, it just seemed like that.
Yeah. Ooh. I'm gonna eat one shrimp and that's it.
That's it.
Yeah, because you know, I don't really like those shrimp from Rose. I don't know what it is, but it's just like the flavor to me is weird.
Tastes fine to me.
Let me see. Well, yeah, those taste alright. I guess it was those other shrimp that you had got, those Argentina shrimp. Oh, yeah. That's why I always say don't get no shrimp from Rose.
Now you said about all the shrimp. Them Argentine shrimp, you know what I'm saying? You don't want to eat them at all. Them terrible. I mean, it's not terrible when you get them Argentina shrimps. Especially if you get the smaller ones. To me, they mush up.
Yeah.
They mush up real quick. But me personally, I don't cook my shrimps long anyways. My wife, she like hers cooked a little wood. I ain't gonna say a little long. We know a little longer.
I like mine to be firm. I
Yeah.
don't like no almost raw shrimp.
I don't know if you almost raw now, but
Yeah, but I like
I have mine in there. I might pop mine in there for about. I can have mine in there for about 4 minutes, maybe 5. I'm good.
And I'll probably leave mine in just a minute longer.
Yeah. Like soon the shell lift, I'm done.
Yeah.
I don't need to have them that long. Cause you know you can eat your seafood raw.
Yeah, don't do that. But I've seen a lot of people have some raw looking shrimp, and I just that's not my thing.
Cause like on most of the fishing videos I watch, a lot of time what they call it, sashimi or something, sashimi. But like when they fishing and stuff, sometimes they'll just cut a piece of the fish and eat it raw.
Well, yeah, we know they eat like raw fish and raw
Yeah,
sushi.
he said shrimp too. Yeah, he said that. Seafood you can eat raw. Yeah.
So you like raw shrimp?
I ain't gonna do it, but I made them oysters raw. Sometimes I have eaten this
Right
shrimp.
from out the bag?
When we went to what's the name? What's that name? Hot Rock Cafe?
Mm-hmm.
Them raw. Them raw too.
I didn't know you ate raw shrimp before.
Hot Rock Cafe. When I ate them, no oysters. No oysters.
That's what I'm talking about. I mean, yeah, I didn't know you had the raw oysters before.
Yeah, they didn't have them cooked. And that's why, to me, when I ate it was good. But it's kind of like on my first time having them, and I don't really do the raw oyster. But those oysters were huge. Probably the biggest oysters I've eaten in my life. Was that Hard Rock Cafe?
That place was nice. Did you like the menu? What was on the menu?
I can't remember all that. But I ain't eat all.
I think I had lamb for the first time, either lamb or goat or something
like that. You had goat
something
before.
Crazy.
Yeah, you had goat food. Cause I brought that home. When the dude used to cook at my job. We had this islander dude at my job. And he used to prepare meals and stuff. Like we'll all pitch in and give him money. And he'll make these island dishes for us.
Yeah, I've had like curry goat, but I'm saying I had it for the first time at the Hot Rock Cafe. It was either goat or lamb or something that I never tried. Oh, it was that duck. It was either duck or deer. Cause remember it was real greasy like.
I don't know. Oh, it was duck.
I ain't like that.
Yeah, I've had duck a few times. My uncle made that. Made duck. I've had deer also. I'm not the type of person to eat too much crazy stuff though.
Yeah, I don't like that. Brian had some deer sausage that he got from the dude that he was buying the crawfish from.
Good.
And I tasted a piece of it. Yeah, it was pretty good.
Yeah. A lot of people also mix the ground deer meat with the ground beef. A lot of people do that too. I've had stewed deer. That's good. It's just like roast beef. Not roast beef, but you know, stewed beef.
Who stewed it?
It was this dude. I can't think of his name. From church. Can't think of his name. He was in the military.
Okay. Thank you for all the anniversary love. We enjoyed our day.
Yes, we did.
$12 years of love.
Yeah. Longer than that, really.
Yeah, I was gonna say longer than that, but
official was not time. 12 years. Ugh.
we gotta try to finish watching Queen and Slim. I think you forgot about that.
I didn't forget about it. This is so far away, remember? We were watching on the Fire Stick, so it cut off on us way at the end when the boy put out the gun. And I had to try to fast forward, and you know how the Fire Stick act when you watching a movie on it, man.
This stuff is good. You gonna try some crawfish?
I might grab one or two. Probably not.
They should be pretty juicy because I had them soaking for a while, so.
You should have told me to grab some neck bone. I thought about it when you said you was gonna do them. I'm like, man, what you had the neck bone? You don't be cooking the neck bone like that no more, do you?
You know, that rain thing.
It's good.
When rain do the crawfish. Well, I think that food got to us. We pretty tired. I just finished editing my my mukbang, and Tony is laying here on the floor, asleep. He always falls asleep on the floor. So I think I'm about to take a quick nap because I'm a little tired, and it's like my auntie just came in town today. So that's the water. Yeah, it's several hours later, and I never took a nap because I made Tony some dinner. I did some chicken stir fry for him. I had a little snack. I had some guacamole and some chips, but I didn't feel like eating the rest of it. I only had a little bit on there. Y'all, I just feel, I'm so sore because I worked out yesterday. I did a Jilly and Michael workout, so I'm super sore. And then I have lady issues going on right now, so that's not making it any better. Tony, you gonna cut this pineapple? You said no.
I said no.
I think I'm gonna make me some tea. I'm not feeling, you know, any symptoms right now. I'm lucky though because I don't get cramps. So it's over there, right there. I don't get any cramps, but my stomach feels like I just ate about 4 Publix subs.
No.
That's the symptoms that I have. Seriously, my stomach feel like super full, like I just ate. Not right now, I'm saying that's the symptoms that I have when my cycle's on. But I'm not feeling it right now. I just feel extra tired that I didn't take a nap because I had to edit that video, then I had to cook that food. What you doing?
Sharpening the knife.
You sharpening the knife, y'all. Pineapple.
How do you want to cut it?
Just slice it the same way you did it the last time. What's the technique?
Just cutting off the top first. That's first. And then I'll just come, try to go as straight as possible, but my first cut was terrible. So I'll just go like this. It's all good.
We got to get us some new knives because our knives are so dull. They're old.
Yes, very old. This one right here, at least 4. Actually, 4 years probably.
Mm-hmm.
So you gotta use brute strength with this one. My cut's crickets, yeah.
It's all right.
I'm gonna cut my damn hand.
Because I'm going to just put it in some Tupperware. And then I'll use these pineapples to garnish my drinks and to make smoothies. And to put some in my tea.
Ooh, it's cricket. It's all good.
And then just half.
I'm just cutting this just so I can
Oh, you want to
eat
take
it.
it?
Yeah, I just want to try to eat. So I'm just cutting the tail end of it up. Chew it off. So we can at least chew and get the flavor. Probably we ain't gonna put it in the container.
Yeah.
Yeah, we ain't gonna put this in there. It's the butt, the bottom part. So just chew on you.
Oh, they look pretty sweet, right? So now we're just gonna put it in the container. I gotta slice it one more time down the middle. Is it sweet?
Yeah, it's good too.
All right, we got our little Tupperware.
We just slice them in half, right?
Yeah. Why don't you do a stack of them?
Man, they might look good. Super sweet. I'm glad I bought the bowl today.
What do you think about my hands with no nails?
They're fine. Throwback. I haven't seen anything like that in a long time.
Perfect. Just enough space.
That's it.
This is our new little Tupperware from Walmart. Where's the top? Put this in the refrigerator. And that is it. Oh Lord, where do I put it?
Slide that over the top. We'll put it right there. Either or. So we'll move these strawberries out the way.
All right, y'all, I think that's it for today's vlog. Because I'm just gonna sit on the couch and watch some 90 Day Fiance reruns. Huh?
You don't eat that?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat it. Bring it to me. Eat my little 2 chips and guacamole. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, look, Tony. Did you like your dinner?
I felt myself up to it. My stomach
Was it better than wasabi?
it was something like that though.
All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.